Welcome to the How to Earn $1,000 a Month by Swing Trading Crypto series. In this video, we're going to talk about Jupiter, or ticker symbol JUP. So go ahead and smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you've already subscribed to the channel, welcome back. And nothing I say in this video is financial advice. Please do your own research. I'm simply sharing my experience and my path with you. And only invest what you can stand to lose or be stuck with holding a long period of time. Beware of spam in the comments. Two types of spam that I'm seeing often. One is the person who's going to ask you to help them move their crypto from a certain wallet to a certain exchange, and they're going to provide a security key or their privacy key. Never provide your privacy key to anyone. This is unless you want them to have 100% access to whatever's in your wallet. And if you post it online, allowing anybody on the internet to have 100% access to the crypto in that wallet. Right? So this is just spam, and chances are they're trying to scam you in some way. The other type of spam I'm seeing is a person who, someone comes on, I don't know if it's the same person with multiple accounts or people working together or just coincidence. But they start off the conversation with, I'm a newbie to trading crypto, and then the other persons or people will go and say, hey, it is difficult, blah, blah, blah. Then eventually goes to, hey, I know someone who helped me, you helped you too, it helped me also. And then leads you to a person on Telegram or on WhatsApp or some similar platform, and their intent is to scam you. So please stay clear of these two types of comments, and know that they're in no way affiliated with the channel. So now, if you've already invested in, hold, bought, hold, sold, traded Jupiter, or even if you're going to look more into Jupiter, go ahead and put a hashtag JUP in the comments. In this video, we're going to talk about the all-time high of Jupiter and when it occurred, kind of see if there's any factors that determine that. Then from there, we're going to look at the price action of Jupiter over the last 3 weeks, which involves June 16th to July 7th, a period of 21 days. We're going to check the high and low price during that 3 weeks. Then we're going to pick out 5 trading opportunities, the best top 5 trading opportunities during that time period. From there, we're going to see if we were able to invest $3,000 with this scenario, if we were able to get crack $1,000 within just 3 weeks. All right, and if you've been watching the videos, you've noticed that most of the crypto so far, we've been able to meet that feat. So that's good. Now, once we've done that, we'll look at some smaller opportunities, see if there's any other opportunities that we could have made outside those top 5. And then we'll go into tokenomics of Jupiter. We'll look at the current price and market cap along with some other valuable information to help us predict when is a good time to buy, when is a good time to sell for our trading. All right, so let's look at the all-time high for Jupiter. And that occurred in March 31st, 2024. Jupiter is a fairly new token. And that price hit $2. All right. And like I said, since it's fairly new, usually what happens is a lot of hype goes in, and then it comes down to it resettles at a certain price that's lower, and then over time, since it is new, it may recover and then match that all-time high, and maybe having that as a resistance point and using that as low. But right now, we'll see the current price and the end towards the end of this video. All right, so let's look at the price action over the last 3 weeks of Jupiter. And here we have it, June 16th to July 7th, 21 days. The high price hit 48 cents on the 3rd, July 3rd. Slightly different than the other ones. And that was 48 cents. Then the low price, just like every other one so far, July 22nd, hit 33 cents. And it had a couple bottoms here to it finally hit its base. Alright, so let's look at the top 5 trading opportunities in sequential order of date. So here on the 18th, we had this first opportunity at 4.9%, and it's like a one-day turnaround, which is always excellent. Then we hit our big one here on the 22nd, and sale opportunity. Best sale opportunity was the 24th, so 2 days, 23.3 is even better. Then we have our on the 26th, 13.3, 2 days. On the 28th, sale opportunity. Then another buy opportunity right after that on the 29th, and then on the 30th, sold at 1 day at 16.4 or 6.4. So this will be very lucrative. Then we have our buy in at June 1st, and then on the 3rd, selling at 12.5%. That is excellent. So let's go ahead and look at these other opportunities. A little 2% there, 2%, 2%, 2% from here to here, maybe another 2.5%, 2%, another 2 from here to there, a little, maybe 2, a little under 2, and that's inside that. So let's go here to there's maybe another 2%, and so that may be 1.5%, 2%, another 2% easily, another 2, another 3-4% here. It's pretty good, and it looks like it's on its way. But yeah, so that's the price action of Jupiter over the last 3 weeks. Looked pretty good. Let's look at the actually let's go ahead and see how much we would have made at these sell points and see how much money we got total. So let's start at 4.9. I already got these calculated out. So all I'm doing is taking $3,000, using our scenario of $3,000, and times it by 0.049. So that's 4.9%. So I've already done that. So the first one, 4.9, will get you $147. Plus 23.3 will get you $699. This 13.3 will get you $399. And this 6.4 will get you $192. And this 12.5 will get you $375. So it's $1,812 just off of those 5 trades opportunities. And that would have been, yeah, so that would have been right on point. And so just in 3 weeks, actually under 3 weeks, because the 3rd was the last time we traded, but in 3 weeks you could have got almost $2,000 with another 9 days left. So if you 9 days add on that, it's possible to easily make $2,000 off of Jupiter over this time frame. So that is excellent opportunity, great coin to swing trade. So keep that in mind for the future, and also we can look at that, continue to look at it to see the trends if it keeps up. I'm sure there are times where it's not so lucrative, but still it looks like with the bounces they're there. Alright, so now let's go check out the tokenomics for Jupiter. Here, see the current price is at 43.25% or 0.043 or 0.4325, and it's down 2.5% or 2.1% over the last week. And Jupiter right now, market cap is steady at number 80, and that is at just under 1.3 billion. Trading 24-hour trading volume 36 million and some change. So the circulating supply is at 3 billion. The total supply is just under 7 billion, and the max supply is at 10 billion. So we have a long way to go before these are all in rotation. So again, that could affect the price, and that might have happened at the when at the all-time high at $2. They might have dumped in a significant amount to make the price go down to this range or lower, or probably went down a little higher, because I know for a while it was hanging out at $1 coin for a while. Alright, so yep, so over time this 10 million will go away, so this inflationary opportunity won't be available. So yep, so that's it for the tokenomics of Jupiter, and hope you enjoyed that. And once again, if you missed it, go ahead and put a hashtag JUP in the comments if you plan on looking more into Jupiter or interested in investing in Jupiter. And it has been over that time period a great opportunity, a great coin to swing trade. So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Remember, when you subscribe to the channel, you get notified when new material is posted. And if you want to see more cryptos broken like this, broken down in this same manner, click on the rectangle in the middle of your screen. If you want to see what other information the channel holds, other type of series, click on the circle at the bottom right. So thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you on the next one.